Hi, I'm Jasmine. I'm a college student on a budget, and this is my local corner store, and we're going to show you how to make an emergency kit with only $20. Okay, so here we have some water. It's really important for an emergency kit. You need it to cook, drink, and bathe with. So we're gonna get a whole pack. Oh. Okay, so we know in Seattle it gets really cold, so we're going to need hand warmers. And if you need to cook outside, or if you need a light source, matches would work if you don't have like a flashlight. Okay, so this is good. We're going to need non-perishable food such as this. You get tuna, a cracker, and also a spoon to help you scoop out the tuna. This can keep it for a long time, and you can easily eat it with the cracker as well. Okay. So these hand wipes are really useful for when you need to wash your hands and you don't have any water. And this rubbing alcohol would be great for if you get any minor injuries or scratches and you need to clean it out quickly. Oh, good, how are you? And can you add the water, please?
$16.55.
Okay. Can I get an extra tuna actually?
Yes.
Thank you.
$19.24.
$20.
Jasmine, show us the receipt.
Here it is. Water, and this is a $20 emergency kit.